hot. All right, so I've been playing with the lighting for like 30 minutes and I just cannot figure it out, and I can't even get the frame straight. Like, just bear with me. I just don't think today is my day. Hey, what's up y'all? It's me, Jenny here. Today is Quick Tip Monday and I've got a quick tip for you. So, if you have frizzy hair, whether it may be wavy or curly or just like plain frizzy, my quick tip is this. Put the product, so if you wear hair product, put the product in your hair before you towel dry your hair. So what I mean is, you get out of the shower, your hair is like sopping wet. Don't put the towel to your hair first. Put the product in, put the same amount of product you usually put in, and then take the towel and towel dry your hair. That ensures that the product gets pushed into the hair cuticle and it'll actually be more effective. And there you go. That is my quick tip for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie, that's kiss.jennie, Jennie with an IE, or you can catch me on, no, you can't catch me. Well, yeah, you can catch me on my last video, which is right here, or you can subscribe to my channel. Just click on my face right here. Thank you so very much for watching. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.